Choi. Han. That's cut out. The ball's taken from them. They've lost it now. Jeong. It's a turnover in play. Well, that's a real tussle for the ball there. Oh, in goes the cross. Thought they might have been in there. On the volley. And it hit the post and went in. And it's the captain who celebrates scoring the goal.
Well, what a bonus to have a player like that in your ranks and to be leading you out there.
He got some bend on that. Started a couple of yards outside, but it's gone in and clipped the inside of the...
Teammates are around him. And the defender able quite simply to deal with that cross, actually. Molina. Dejan Damjanovic. Got the midfield players back behind the ball as well. The pass not completed, really. And the ball's gone again. Bolster their defending here, maybe with an extra player or two back from further up the pitch. Lee. Good ball. Well, there was real danger there until the defender stepped in. Something could be on here. Goes for goal! Good, courageous stuff to get in the line of the shot. Excellent passing here. He's got space. He's gone for goal. And it's the goalkeeper who comes out on top. Fine save.
Well, that's why you try to get the very best between the sticks, and this boy is right up there.
Molina. Great chance. In with the chance. And he's taken the chance beautifully. Just for a second there, Alan, I think he was worried that it was maybe going to hit the bar and come out, or even go over the bar, but it's straight in under the bar.
Well, you have to take your luck when it comes along. He's done that here.
Well, that has made it 2-0. Can he turn away from the challenge here? And he read their minds. Brilliant defending in the circumstances. Going for the ball. So dangerous. What a hit! Nothing wrong with the shot, really, except the direction. It was hit well enough. The goalkeeper didn't have to move a muscle except to catch it. Half-time now, and 2-0 is the score at the break. So that is the half-time scoreline, and it's been very enjoyable. So the referee's happy, and the second half gets underway. The attacking player needs a bit of help now. He's put it in very dangerously. That could have led to a goal. What for a fine piece of defending. Wants to get at him, and he's got past it. Cross into the goalkeeper's territory. He made sure he claimed the ball. And here's Lee. And keeps it going well. They're trying hard to get the ball after he'd done well to make the tackle. That is a super interception. Well executed. Needs a bit of assistance here, and it's coming on the right. No, not this time, and the opposition come away with the ball. Options available on the bench for the away side today. Park. That's a good pass. He can cross it. Here he is with a chance. Well, this is great goalkeeping.
But what a bonus for a team to have a keeper in this kind of form. It probably gets to the point where the strikers feel they're not going to be able to score. This keeper is in inspired form.
And he shoots. He hasn't dealt with the danger. Good ball. And that cross cut out by the defender. Time is ticking away here, 4 minutes to go. And there's a teammate free in the middle here. Choi. Keeps it going. This is the chance. He strikes a goal! It's not the best game that he's ever played, but that might be just one of his best ever saves.
Well, he'll be hoping that he's turned the corner in this match because he's been woeful today so far.
It's finished now with the final whistle. Nothing like that feeling of victory. It's less so, of course, in a friendly game, but it's still better than walking off beaten.
Well, winning is a nice habit to acquire, and this team have taken a step towards doing that.
Well, it was billed as a friendly.